Audrey, what are you doing to your sister? What are you doing to your poor sister?
Oh, I'm missing Sophie.
You think she's a plaything? What is happening to you, Alexis? I don't know, but I want the stickers. Let's stick some on you. Alexis.
I'm going to get one off her.
Give me those stickers.
Oh, I broke it.
Alexis.
You got a sticker on you?
Gentle.
Put one on you. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, that looks pretty, Audrey. That one's go right there. Let's see where this one will go. It'll go. Okay, Audrey.
Alright, Audrey. I think you have filled up your sister's head full. It's beautiful.
It's a video.
I hope these things come off later. Uh-oh.
Did you see this flower on her hair? That kiss sticker. Take it off.
So now what are we doing? Sticking them on your head? Is he taking them off your head and putting them on hers?
Look at that one. Yeah.
See, no more stickers for you.
Look at that. See?